Good evening, I'm Anand Narasimhan and we begin this Thursday edition of The Right Stand with news just coming in around the Sushant Singh death probe. A 15-member CBI team, which includes 6 personnel from the CFSL, has landed in Mumbai. According to sources within the Mumbai Municipal Corporation, the CBI team is going to camp in Mumbai for about 10 days and the CBI will do a reconstruction of Sushant's death at his home where he allegedly hung himself. Herman is joining us with more details. Herman, two aspects. One, will they also be subjected to the quarantine rules or are they going to be exempted? And B, will they be given a free hand by the Mumbai police and the Maharashtra government to do their job?
Well, Anand, yes, in fact, it's a 15-member team from the CBI, including 6 from its own forensic team that have come here. They have been exempted from quarantine as they had applied online to the Mumbai Municipal Corporation. Tomorrow, what is going to take place is that the crime scene, there will be a recreation that will be taking place by the CBI's team, including its forensic team, which will be present there. Secondly, what in the next 10 days that they're going to be in Mumbai, what they're going to do is that there'll be a collection of documents as well as other reports that the Mumbai police had collected so far, which is from the Zone 9, which was investigating into this particular murder case. Third, what we are told is that there could also be a questioning of eyewitnesses as well as Riya Chakraborty, which cannot be ruled out at this point in time, that could be taking place. And secondly, also all of the eyewitnesses who were present, including those from the Mumbai police when this incident did take place, could be called in for questioning. So the CBI team is going to be here for the next 10 days in Mumbai, during which it will be recreating the crime scene, secondly collecting all important documents such as diary entries, the post-mortem reports, and third one could also see questioning of eyewitnesses in this particular case.
Well, one of the biggest aspects, Herman, here is what happened on that night of the 14th of June. Why the post-mortem was conducted in the dead of the night without a COVID-19 test and a COVID-19 report coming through. These are questions. Is the CBI going to explore these? Because this is where the doubts and the issue of subterfuge comes to the fore.
That's right, Anand, as rightly pointed out by you, that is an angle that cannot be ruled out at this point in time. Clearly, it was earlier believed that the CBI team could be here only for 7 days. But now that it has been exempted from quarantine, it is expected that it will be here for the next 10 days. And that is an angle that cannot be ruled out. Not just the doctors who conducted the post-mortem report, but also Mumbai police personnel, including senior officers of the DCP rank, could be called in for questioning by the CBI. The questioning of Riya Chakraborty cannot be also ruled out at this point in time. And what is going to be expected tomorrow, once the recreation of the crime scene first takes place at Sushant Singh Rajput's home. Post that, you will have also the same team that will be looking around for all of the evidences that so far that the Mumbai police has been claiming it has been collecting.
Thank you for your inputs, Herman. We'll continue to keep close tabs on the developments, but for the moment, moving on here on the